Hi, lovelies. My old, new, and incoming subscribers, you're welcome. Today I will be walking you through how I achieved this healthy puree. You can make it for your 6-month-old baby, 9-month-old, 1 year. As far as you started winning your baby, you can start with this. Yeah, it's very healthy. So I started by washing every ingredient that I'll be using for this recipe. I'm using chickpeas, plantain, sweet potato, spinach, eggs, chicken, avocado. Yes, so I started by boiling my eggs with my protein, and I peeled the potatoes and the plantain into the pot. Everything was washed, so I started cooking it till it gets done. Yeah, properly done. This is the chickpeas that I use, but this time around I'm using the one I have already cooked and kept in the freezer. Yes, so I usually cook it very soft and then can it into the freezer, so that in that way it will be easy for me to use anytime I want to use it. So my baby kind of like this food so much, so I wouldn't blame her because it's so healthy. So I like making it for her because everything that I would want to give her is in this food: vitamin, protein, carbohydrate, iron. You see, you have everything in here. So if you don't prefer giving her like ordinary cereal, yes, this can serve. Yes, you can actually decide to use kale instead. Any vegetable of your choice, but I prefer baby spinach because it's kind of it has the sweet taste. So here I've already boiled everything, washed the vegetables, the avocado, and set everything aside. Then I started by blending the cooked plantain with potato, sweet potato. You saw the potato that I used. They have different kinds of potato, but I like this yellow one because it's kind of sweet. Yeah, because I don't add any additional sweetener to this food, so I just give it to her like that. So I'm just gonna get it into the blender and have everything blend to puree, like very, very puree. They won't like seedless. I wouldn't want any seed in it, so it will be as smooth as, yeah, that I want it. So well, my blender is really doing very well. So I like the blender because it gets everything that I want into puree. You can see how it's going. You see how it's blending it and getting it into, crush it into puree. So I'm already done blending the chickpeas, the plantain, the potato. Now I'm starting by blending the protein and vegetables and avocado. It doesn't have any procedure in the blending. You can go ahead and blend it in any way you want. The main thing is that you should get it to be blended into puree. Then after blending everything, because I doubt if there will be a blender that can blend everything at once. Well, depending on the quantity that you're making. So this quantity you're seeing right here, my daughter is gonna just eat it for like let's say 5 days max. Yes, so I make sure the fridge is well refrigerated. You can as well put your own in the freezer. So I'm gonna get everything mixed very well properly. You see, in this puree you have cooked egg, you have cooked chicken, you have chickpeas, you have sweet potato, you have plantain, you have spinach, you have avocado. You see how rich this puree is. Yes, I think it's gonna be good for your baby that you've already started winning food. You can decide to buy the already made preserved one from the store. Well, it all depends, but I think this is really, really healthy. Yes, so because if you do this, you get to put anything you want to put that you want your baby to have to keep your baby healthy. Thanks for watching. Would you be trying this? Comment on the comment section what you'll be adding to yours. See you in my next video. Bye.